Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another hair video, and today's video is going to be about 3 products. Well, actually there are 2, but one can be 3 or 4 or 5. And as you can see by the title of this video, everything is from Hot Tools. They did send me these products, but I am really happy because one of the first, I'd say, high-end Hot Tools that I've gotten are from Hot Tools. So it is really exciting for me to receive products for them, especially because aren't we always looking for products that help maintain our hair, especially for this long hair? Yes, I'm pretty proud of it, but it is really hard to maintain it, especially if you want to be doing your hair. That leads to another issue where if you have long hair, you know, it takes forever to just do a simple task, like whether it is straightening it, I can never say that word, or just blow drying it. It just takes longer than for any other person that has shorter hair. So I am excited to try out products from Hot Tools. Or if you click in this video, it's because you saw everything that I'm going to be trying out. They came out with a hair product line, and I think it's amazing because Hot Tools, so most of these products are to help maintain your hair healthy, to protect it from the heat from the Hot Tools. Get it? And I'm all about that. My hair, I'm not gonna say it's perfect, but I do try my best to take care of it, even though I do use a lot of Hot Tools. So the fact that they did come up with the line is just amazing. It's just all in one, and I did try all of these products already. I've been using them for about a month now, and I'm gonna say I do like them. I'm just gonna be showing you as I go, as I use them. I just took a shower. I did use the shampoo and the conditioner, which, as you can see, it's all about protecting your hair. I love how they smell. The shampoo, it does lather very easily, so a little goes a long way, especially again with my long. I'm gonna be saying that a lot because that's what helps me test the products. Honestly, if a little goes a long way, I can tell because I do have a lot of hair. Typically with a lot of products that I do use for my hair, I can tell whether it's gonna last me or not, if it's convenient or not, depending on how much I need at once. So a little bit does go a long way. It does lather really good, the shampoo and also the conditioner. They both smell the same, and I really like the smell. I want to say citrusy. What's that fruit? I'm gonna put it over here. I don't really like how the fruit tastes. I do like how the products that are inspired or that use that smell, because the real smell smells like very citrusy. Es toronja in Spanish. But it reminds me of that fruit. Yeah, it reminds me of that fruit. It smells good though. I really like the smell. Another product that I already have in my hair, it's a heat bonding styler, a recovery styling cream. I did put it from the middle of my hair to the end. I really hope you guys can see that my hair is still wet, like it's damp. It dried a little bit because I did do my makeup. The product that I do not have on my hair is the Pro Artist Heat Defense Instant Detangling. I love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair. You guys see that? Don't keep your eyes, or don't spray your eyes. So the Hot Tools, the first one that I'm gonna be using is gonna be this one right here, Pro Artist One Step Dryer and Curler. So it's this one right here, and this is what I meant by saying that it's like a 2-in-1. So this one, you take it off right here, and you proceed to use this one, which is a curler and a dryer at the same time, because it's curling your hair and blow drying your hair at the same time. This is new, and trust me, the first time that I tried it, I was like, what am I doing? But after trying it for the 3rd time, and today the 4th time, I feel like I got the hang of it, and I do enjoy like the finish that it gives me. It's more like a voluminous curl, and you guys are gonna see me try it. Let's put back the other one, which is this one's to dry your roots, specifically for your roots. Of course, you can go ahead and like continue drying the rest of your hair, but it's meant to like help you dry your roots, and then you finish with the curler. The other tool that I'm going to be trying, it's going to be this one. So what I was thinking, I'm just going to dry this whole side of my hair with the root dryer, because you can do that. One side I'm just going to finish with the curler, and the other one I'm just going to continue with this. Of course, I'm going to time everything as I usually do, and let's go ahead and get started. Also, I really hope you guys like the lighting. I'm sorry if it's like bad. I'm trying out new lighting setups. I want to step up my game when it comes to the lighting. I've seen some people that they only use like 2 lights, and like their light looks so good. I want to find out how they do that, so I'm experimenting. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and start drying. Like I said, these look dry. It's not completely dry though. It's like, if you guys can see right here, these, see, this takes forever all the time to dry. So I feel like the root dryer is like perfect for me. Let's go ahead and set the timer. Okay, excuse my screen, it's a little bit dirty, but let's go ahead and get this started. There you go. We're gonna focus on one section at a time. So I dried this whole side with the root dryer. That did take me 10 minutes, but then again, this one is not made to dry your whole hair. This one's meant to be used to just dry your roots, so you can go ahead and proceed and dry the rest of your hair and curl it at the same time with this one. But I decided to do that on this side since I'm gonna be using the straightener on this side. Now I'm gonna go ahead, and this way we're gonna see the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and dry just the roots on this side, which they're still wet. Don't think that, I just don't want you to think that my hair is dry. I know this like curls really quickly, and trust me, even then this is not completely dry. But yes, my roots are still wet. Hopefully you guys can see. Do you guys see that? And let's be realistic, whenever I do my hair, I do let it dry a little bit while I'm doing my makeup before I get to use the hot tools, whether it's a hair dryer or the straightener. I let my hair like rest a little bit and in a sense like get mentally ready for like the heat. No, but yeah, I don't like go ahead and use my dryer with my hair soaking wet. Do you guys do that? I don't do that. That is a rule, right? Like, you don't dry your hair when it's soaking wet. You let it dry a little bit. Maybe tell me if I'm wrong, but I don't do that. I don't know, unless like again in a rush, but that's still like being ruthless to your hair. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and dry my roots. Again, the time for this one was 10 minutes 34 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and screenshot that. Now we're gonna reset it and we're gonna go ahead and start doing this side. Guys, I'm sitting on my foot, so I'm a little bit taller. I'm gonna go ahead and bring something to sit on. All right, let's go ahead and get that started. Excuse my messy hair, but that is 7 minutes. I feel like 3 minutes is not that big of a difference, but maybe it is. I mean, yeah, 3 minutes can make a huge difference. I think so. As for this side, even though this tool is not meant to be used to straighten your hair, I feel like it also helped for it to dry but still stay straight. Also, I'd like to say this one's really good if you want to add that volume to the root, and if you want to dry it in a way that's going to give you volume, this one's it. I feel like that does a good job, except for these little parts, but I mean, that can be taken care of with the straightener. Let's go ahead and remove this. And we're gonna go ahead and use a curling wand now. This one's interesting. I feel like it's really interesting. It's new. It's like a new tool. So it's like a new tool. Get creative with it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair to the side, and I am gonna damp it a little bit. Yes, my hair is still a little bit damp. I can feel it, but I want you guys to see that it is a little bit damp. Let me go ahead and wet it a little bit. Hope you guys can see my hair or the rest of my hair. I will show you guys the ends of my hair once I'm done with this whole hair, but for now we're just gonna stick to like just area. This tool is more like whenever you have more time to do your hair, whenever you have the time to do your hair. But again, I'll just show you guys how long it would take me to do one side of my hair. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I mean, let's be realistic. This takes the time regardless. So that just took 9 minutes 44 seconds. Again, I feel like this one is much better for the times where you do have time to do your hair. Also, I do like the finish that it gives. It gives more like a voluminous curl, something that you don't get with the flat iron. Well, my logic is when you do curl your hair with the flat iron, you're making it like really sleek. When you do use this one, like, it's being curled by air, so it looks more flowy. The hairs are not don't like being like perfectly curled along with each other. So in my head, that's how it gives you more of a voluminous curl. I have used it when I have more time to play with my hair, and also this would work a lot easier, a lot better with people that have shorter hair. I do find it difficult for my long hair because I have to like divide it into sections, and sometimes, again, I don't know if like that makes sense, but when I do curl like just half of my hair from root to the middle, and then I go back and undo the part, and then I start curling the ends of my hair, by me pulling that curl when it's not set yet, it's already like distorting the curl, if you get what I mean. So it's not very beneficial when you have like too much of a long hair. I can make it work. Again, if I do have the time, I can make it work, but if you have shorter hair, you don't have to do this dividing by sections. So I feel like it would work much better for people that have shorter hair because of that reason. But other than that, I see nothing wrong with it. I see like the voluminous curl happening. To set these waves, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Pro Artist Heat Complete Protective Flexible Hairspray from Hot Tools. So this is one of the other products. This sets, finishes, and helps protect from heat and UV rays. Something that honestly, let me shut up while I do this because I've eaten her product before. Look at that curl. Something that we don't really think about when we use hair products or when we purchase hair products is protecting your hair from the UV rays. I thought that was really interesting. I know there are products that do that. I think I've heard of products, but I've never really paid attention. And I mean, it being on your hairspray already, it just makes it so much easier. So go with that. Okay, now this one is the Gold Evolve Ionic Salon Flat Iron. I'm gonna go ahead and link everything in the description down below. There's different prices and different websites, so I think I just like put all the links that I find on here because I don't want to like give you a price and then turns out it was a different price. It just seemed a little confusing for me, so I'll just like link all of them. Again, I'm gonna turn this on. This one has the on button right here, and once you turn it on, this starts blinking. This is letting me know it has not reached the heat temperature that I set it to. Right here, by turning this, you can set the temperature that you want it to. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it at 345, and then it's going to beep once it reaches that temperature. You guys hear that? And it stopped blinking. That means it just reached. Guys, I was just like messing with my hair a little bit and it's ready. So pretty fast. Also, I feel like we are gonna be able to see the difference in the curls as well. So we're gonna be able to see the difference in volume. That's what we're going for. I mean, that's the difference we want to see, right? Well, I want to see. Hopefully you too. Anyways, again, I'm gonna just set the timer. Not that we need it today because they're not the same products. But I mean, just for info. All right, and it's going. Another thing I do like about this straightener is like it fits so perfectly in my hand. It's so thin and compact. Look at that. And it just took me one pass. You guys are gonna see how many times I get to pass through the strand. It's pretty much just one. I don't need more than that. We don't need more than that. We don't need to burn our hair. I mean, not that we will with all the products that I already have in our hair. There's pretty low possibilities of that. I mean, unless you have it at like freaking, what's the highest temperature? Maybe I should look into that afterwards. I mean, I could do like a lot more sections, but again, if you guys don't know, I'm all about just do it quick and fast. If you do divide your hair in a lot more sections, you will get more volume, especially if you curl to different directions as you go. Now towards the front of the hair, I do start just going backwards. I start doing the curls just back this way. And I also try, I don't know if you know, but I do try not to go on the ends of the hair. I do see a lot of like, I don't know if it's my hair. Trust me, my hair didn't look like this before, like where all these little flyaways. I mean, I do get them, but not this much. I don't know what's going on today. But luckily we can fix that with our hairspray. Okay, so since we're at it, we're finishing this. So this one is like, yes, it's wavy, but it looks more uniform. And this one is wavy, but it's a little bit more messy, I think it's more like a beachy wave, more like a natural wave that you would get which I enjoy, honestly. So anyways, what do you guys think? Oh, let's say it was 30 seconds ago. That took me about 4.5 minutes. Let's see. I forgot to stop it, guys. But that's 5 minutes right there. I did stop curling my hair about like 30 seconds ago. And that was just one side. That's typically what I do when I'm in a rush. If I do want to add more like texture to it, I do divide my hair into different sections. I'm gonna be honest, like most of the time I just do that because it's just faster and like you can tell that I did my hair. So that's what I do. But anyways, guys, what do you guys think about this one over here? I think it's interesting. It does get a little bit of like practice, but other than that, I feel like it's a pretty great tool, especially to those that are interested in getting like those voluminous curls. I do have trouble with that because it's inevitable for me. My hair is long, so that means my hair is gonna be heavier. That means gravity is gonna like push it more. So to maintain volume, it's really hard for me. So tools that are gonna help me maintain or get that volume, why not? Let me just, like I said, this one's gonna be for sure my travel flat iron. You guys saw how fast it was to reach the temperature that I did set it to, and also how fast it was to just do my hair. 4 minutes, imagine that, both sides, it would be just 8 minutes. It would be perfect. And let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Also, I want to thank Hot Tools for trusting me once again. I really appreciate you sending me all of these products, and trust me, I am getting use of them, all the time. Sometimes I do need to give my hair a break because yeah, but I mean, come on, that's why they came out with this line, because we gotta keep up with those Hot Tools. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also find me on Instagram as @Zavala, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.